Hi, I am so thrilled to show you this house in Taylor. This is a 1925 classic American bungalow that has been completely restored up to modern standards, and it is pristine. Like, this is not your run-of-the-mill, had a few contractors through, put lipstick on a pig. It was designed by a restoration architecture firm, and such care was put into every detail, and I can't wait to show you. When you enter in through the front door, you come into this enormous light-filled living room. It is just huge. I just want to show you this hardware real quick. Just pristine, built-ins galore, original windows and doors, French doors into the dining room. Tons of light, tons of natural light. You could fit you could easily sit like 20 people in here. All of the light fixtures are period pieces, and this kitchen was completely redesigned to be tremendously functional with quarter sawn oak brought onto site. These cabinets were built right on site. These are not, Home Depot cabinets. These are extremely high-end, as is the backsplash tile here. This is hand-thrown clay tile with Art Deco featured tile. Nice little pantry there. And then around the corner here, we've got a very functional drop zone, mudroom kind of area right off the back door, which is where you enter in from the two-car garage. More original hardware, original doors. Some of the doors are stained. It's a darker stain, which gives a really nice contrast. This is a built-in ironing board here, laundry behind these doors, cedar closet here. This is the big primary suite. You just don't typically see this in an older home. They added a walk-in closet, so really great storage in here. And then it actually has an ensuite bathroom where they did the honeycomb tile throughout. They just made it all very classic. It is absolutely beautiful. Kohler pedestal sink. I just love this home. The wood floors, look at these. These are original wood. They've been refinished. They are in perfect condition. Okay, second bathroom is quite roomy, actually. I'm gonna pan out a little bit so you can see it. Again, the honeycomb tile, Kohler, large Kohler pedestal sink. It's so pretty. Built-ins here, so like linen storage there. Second bedroom with a large closet. Beautiful light coming in here. There's a lot of space in here. And then this is attic access here with more storage. Come back through here, and the third bedroom actually used to be screened in porch, and it's fantastic. It's got these bay windows with window seats. It does creak a little bit, which is charming, but bright, open, airy, just so much natural light. Two closets actually in this one. I have seen a lot of old homes, but I haven't seen one this perfect.